Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Monster DNA Max. Now this is a portable wireless speaker. You can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $200. Now it comes in 5 different colors. You got Concord with the pink trim, Hunter with the Volt trim, Cranberry with the coral trim, Navy with the Carolina trim, and Desert with the guava trim. Now I'm going to show you all of the colors in real life. All right, so let's get right into this. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Now on a side note, I've been using this speaker for a couple of days, and this is easily one of Monster's best speakers to date. I love it. Let's go through the features real quick. Now the Bluetooth range on this is 30 feet. This features 360-degree omnidirectional sound. So that means whichever way you place the speaker, it's going to sound great. Now this one has a built-in microphone, so you can use it as a speakerphone. This one has charge out, USB Type-C. So that means you can use the speaker as a power bank to charge up your phone, your tablet, your camera, whatever you got on deck. Now this one features a Qi wireless charging pad. So you can charge the speaker using the charging pad or your phones. Now this one is IP67 waterproof. So that means you can submerge this in 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. Now the battery life on this is 20 hours and you can wirelessly connect 99 speakers together. This is pretty dope. Okay, let's check this one out. Now this is going to be the Cranberry, but like I said, I'll show you all of the colors. The unboxing experience reminds me of the old Monster headphones. I love it. Pure Monster sound. Okay. So this is going to be the Cranberry. Inside, use your books and shit, flick of the wrist, and check this out. Now here's one thing I want to show you. It does come with some Monster Troll stickers. Let me go ahead and save those. And look at this. You get a charger in the box. Okay. Here's the wireless charging pad, the same color as the speaker. You're going to get a little carrying strap, same color as the speaker, two-tone. And look at this cable. A nice thick USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, but the tangle-free braided feel to this. Okay, now let me show you the actual speaker. Check this one out. The Monster DNA Max. Nice and lightweight, has this nice fabric feel to it. Definitely feels like quality. Matter of fact, let's do the smell test. You can smell the bass. Okay, this is a bass heavy speaker. On the top, here's your controls. So you got your power on and off. That's also going to be play and pause, answer and end phone calls. You got volume up and down. Also skip and reverse tracks. You got your party mode button. This is actually an RGB light. Okay, LED. On one side, some Monster branding. Here's a little spot right here. So if you do want to use your carrying strap, and again, the carrying strap matches perfectly. You got your Bluetooth pairing button and your USB Type-C charging slot. On the bottom, if you want to use your wireless charger, okay, all you got to do, plug this in, USB Type-C. You're just going to put the speaker right on top of it, just like that. This is pretty dope, and I love how the charging pad and the cables all match the speaker. Now I want to show you something else. Now, as far as the color choices, you've seen the Cranberry with the coral. Now let me show you Concord with the pink trim. And check this out. They all come with the matching cables and the matching wireless charging pad. Next up, we got the Volt and Hunter. Okay, check this out. The green charging pad. Then after that, we got the Navy with the Carolina trim. Look at that. And here's the charging pad. And lastly, we got the Desert with the guava trim. So it's like a tan and orange. And of course, the charging pad to match. Beautiful. Let's take a look at the wireless charging pad. Same color as the speaker. You got a little Monster branding, USB Type-C. On the bottom, you got these rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it from moving around on your table. And you got a little power LED. Now, if you want to charge up a phone, just slap it right on the top. Charging right up. And when you want to charge the speaker, place it on the top. You're going to see the LED and look at the top. More LEDs. So this is pretty dope. You can play your music like this all day long, and when you're ready to go portable, battery's fully charged and you rock out. This is an epic feature. Now, if you want to use this speaker as a portable battery charger, all you got to do is plug in a USB Type-C charging cable, plug it into your device, and as you can see, it's charging right up. Now, for the pairing process, all you got to do is power up the speaker, hold the button for 2 seconds. It's going to power up. You see the light is flashing blue now? It's in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu, select the DNA Max, and you're going to get a voice prompt.
Bluetooth paired. Bluetooth connected.
Just that simple. All right, so now let's do a sound test. I'm going to start off at maximum volume. Make sure you put your headphones on. Here we go.
Yo, sound test. Time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth. Time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, how's the sound, white shoes? How's the sound on it? Sound, baby. That's a sound test.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rebier. This speaker sounds amazing. Let's try some different tracks. All right, so I'm going to play some more music, and then we'll also test out the buttons. Remember, the power button is also play and pause. Volume up and down, skip and reverse tracks. Here we go. Let's get maximum volume.
Maximum volume.
Skip to the next song. You can feel that bass. Excellent highs and mids. Crystal clear. Turn it down some. Omnidirectional sound. So whichever way I face the speaker, it sounds just as good. Now, if you want to go to the previous track, all right, that'll start it over. That's the previous track. Let's go forward a little bit more. And let's get maximum volume.
Maximum volume.
right, so now let's check out the speakerphone. I'm going to call up Amaya. Let's see if she'll answer. Okay. Monster DNA Max. Give Max volume.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, Father.
Hi, girlie.
What you doing?
I'm making a YouTube video. What you doing?
Being lazy, sitting in bed.
Come on, bro. I'm trying to get this content, bro. I'm trying to get this content. I need you to help me. I need you to help me get some of this content. All right, check this out. I'm using the speakerphone. How do I sound?
You sound good.
Okay, you can hear me?
Yeah, you sound a little far, though.
I'm kind of leaned back, but what about now? If I was talking to you like this, would you be able to have a full conversation with me like this?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. How would you rank this on a scale of 1 to 10? I need your expert opinion for
I would
speakerphones.
say for speakerphone, an 8.
An 8? Okay. You on your phone or headphones?
My phone.
Oh, okay. So an 8, that's pretty good.
That is good.
All right, I'm about to send you one of these speakers for your new apartment.
Yes, sir.
People get one apartment, but that's what I said. People get one apartment, don't know how to act.
I'm gonna make all the content.
All right, I'm gonna call you back in a minute when I finish this joint.
All right.
Oh, did I say it right? Did I supposed to say John, right? When I finish this John,
Yeah,
yeah,
no.
I'm gonna call you back after this
You're all
John. Yeah.
wrong. Just don't say anything.
I'm working on my slang. Yeah. All right, bye.
Yeah, you're failing. Bye.
All right. Now this is a key feature for me. Speakerphone. So if I'm playing cards in my backyard and we rocking with the music and I want to do a phone call and I want everybody to hear me, I can drop this phone call right from the speaker. Or if I'm just in the house chilling at work, you know what I'm saying, on the computer, working on this content, I can have a full phone call right from the speaker. That is pretty dope. Now, if you want to use party mode, you can connect up to 99 speakers together. Here's what you got to do. On the first speaker, you hold the monster button down for about 2 seconds. It's going to turn green. Do the same thing on the secondary speaker. It's going to turn purple, and they'll automatically connect. Let's do a little sound test.
Yo, I got a question for you. How many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Turned one night to a blessing for you. I didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. And that's the thing about it. And I can't sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shot when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options, but what's the mathematics? Would you still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rapped average? Except on my flaws and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbings. And never be someone who will backstab me. Never. Ready for that ride in the black caddy. My son wants son, tell him ask daddy. He'll be mad happy, but I'm just trying to chill and twist the line. Catch stunts on my 745. Drive me crazy, shorty. I just wanna see you and feel you. But if I post this little bitch on my close friends, you ask about it and I act like I got no sense. Spend on me, or would you spend for me? How deep is our love if that's what it takes for you to creep in the club? The shit beneath me has to reach from above. The old me would've reached for the glove. I'm just playing, yeah, you know what I'm saying. But oh no, when it's over, I just hope that you stand. Because girl, it's easy to love me now. You'll leave you crazy, but love me if I was down and out. Would you still have love for me?
Let's wrap this video up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Monster DNA Max a major go. I love this speaker, and this is one of Monster's best speakers to date. You're getting 20 hours battery life. It's waterproof, omnidirectional sound, so when you put it in the middle of your table, everybody's going to hear it the same. You got a built-in power bank, built-in speakerphone, built-in wireless charge that comes with the wireless charging pad that matches the speaker. Plenty of different colors to choose from. You can pair 99 of these together wirelessly, but most importantly, the sound. The sound quality is excellent. Crispy highs and mids, clean, rich bass, a well-balanced speaker. This is definitely prime time. All right, this is a major win. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.